Hello, hello, it is the Trading Captain, and I want to go over something a little different here. This isn't a trading recap, this is more of a market analysis because the last 2 weeks we've been in a pretty cold stretch. Unfortunately, I chose probably the worst time to start this small cap challenge, but I think we may be starting to see a shift here. Now, let me explain what my thinking is. So on Tuesday, we had VSEE, which was a pretty crazy move that went from 50 cents. I didn't really watch it because it was such a low price stock, but it ended up rallying up $4, a pretty monster move. And while this was impressive, seeing it completely give back 90 to 80% of the move was not really what you want to see. And while I figure this got a lot of shorts squeezed, a lot of them probably did get bailed out from this move. Now, this did end up somewhat rallying, and even now, for today, this is somewhat holding. It's nothing that's really squeezing the shorts. Nothing to really make people afraid to go short and to make people enthusiastic to go long. And I want to compare that to today. So here is today's current stock that we have as far as the leading gapper. And this thing, not only did this make a 350% move in pre-market, it held pre-market, and then it didn't go below 50% retracement, and we actually saw a second leg up. And this is very different from yesterday. The fact that this is holding up, and if this can hold up into tomorrow, may make shorts more hesitant to go in short, and it may make people more optimistic to go long. We have a couple other stocks that ended up making similar moves. So we had PPBT. This one, it wasn't a crazy move. It ended up going up around 100%, 150%. But the important thing here is even after it has pulled back, it is still holding in a pretty decent spot. So this is two instances now that have done better than the previous day. And to me, this really is an interesting signal. We haven't really seen stocks that have been making moves like this holding up very well. So to see this, but in particular this one, but to see that we had another stock do it as well, this really is suggesting to me we might be seeing a shift. So I'm going to be very vigilant about watching these kind of stocks tomorrow to see if we see other stocks gapping up and holding. And I think if we see that this trend continues, we may actually start to see a market shift. I mean, who knows? It's always a guess what's actually going to happen. But I noticed this trend and I wanted to put it out there just to get my thoughts out there. So yeah, that pretty much wraps it up. I'll be back for my live stream tomorrow, and you guys have a good rest of your day.